Hey everyone, and welcome to this beginner's guide to the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Are you curious about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other cryptic terms you keep hearing? You've come to the right place. In this short video, we'll break down the basics of cryptocurrencies and set you on your way to understanding this revolutionary technology. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets designed to work as a medium of exchange. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by governments, crypto operates on a decentralized system called blockchain. Imagine a giant digital ledger recording every transaction securely and transparently. That's the power of blockchain. Types of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is the king of crypto, but there are many others. Each cryptocurrency has its unique purpose. Ethereum, for example, allows for the creation of smart contracts, which are like self-executing agreements on the blockchain. Litecoin aims to be faster and cheaper for everyday transactions. So, you're interested in buying some crypto? There are online platforms called cryptocurrency exchanges where you can do just that. These exchanges allow you to buy crypto using your debit card or even transfer funds from your bank account. Remember, crypto is a volatile market, so always invest responsibly and only what you can afford to lose. Once you've bought crypto, you need a safe place to store it. Crypto wallets come in various forms, from software wallets on your phone to hardware wallets that resemble USB drives. Choose a secure wallet that suits your needs. Cryptocurrency is still young, but it has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with money. It could make transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. While there are challenges and uncertainties, crypto's potential is undeniable. Cryptocurrency is a complex and ever-evolving landscape. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Before making any investment decisions, thoroughly research the specific cryptocurrency and consult with a financial professional. Remember, invest responsibly and happy exploring the crypto world.